So every once in a while, you come across a product that's actually too good to be true. This is something I saw on TikTok, actually was sent to me for free, and I'm deciding to make a video about it because it actually works. And whenever you see something that works, you want to share it with everyone. So I have tested this out on a few small spots in this bathroom, okay? This bathroom, totally fine. Now I have tested it out in this bathroom. This is like the guest bathroom, the kids' bathroom, and it's kind of embarrassing. I've needed to chip this caulk out for a while, the silicone actually, and redo it. I just been kind of lazy and not done it. You can see I actually went through and cleaned this really well with another cleaner just to kind of make it as fair as possible. I did test this out like the day I got it. I kind of threw it down there and I'll show you the results later. But what I figured is let's just do from like here to here and we can then compare. We'll come back. It says this takes about 5 to 7 hours. Like a gel, so let me just put it on there real easy. I kind of go higher so that it kind of, as it goes, it'll drip down. I know what you're probably thinking, yeah, like just pull the caulk out and redo it. And that's what I'm going to do most likely. But you know, this could be something really good if maybe you were selling your house or maybe you just didn't want to do that. I really don't understand why this stuff molds up like this. I hate to be like a conspiracy theory here, but theorist here, but I think they do it because they want you to have to rip it out after a couple years and have to redo it. There's no reason why the plastic should mold like that. And it gets like deep in, unless maybe I'm using the wrong silicone. If someone has a comment or tell me how to keep this from happening, it seems to happen a lot worse in my kid's bathroom than my personal bathroom. But anyway, all right, so now what we need to do is we actually have to let this sit for 5 to 7 hours. I noticed after about a half hour, I wasn't like checking every minute, but after about an hour, I actually kind of started noticing a difference. But what it says is it'll get hard, and then you just basically just kind of wipe it off. We'll see the results. So we'll come back in about 5 to 7 hours, most likely it'll be tomorrow at this point, and we'll see how it did. So this is a few hours in, and you can see the gel. You can actually see a spot where the gel didn't get, so I gotta get that secondary, but I'll let this go overnight and then we'll come back. All right, so it's the next day actually. You see all this stuff is dried up. Let's wash it off. Not supposed to get this on your hands. It says it right in the thing. But you know, now let's let the results speak for themselves. All right, so obviously you can see there are some few spots there that are still a little dark, like right here, right here, right here. This is obviously the untreated, but this is the part I tried to clean with everything else: baking soda, vinegar, Dawn, bleach, whatever, what have you. So this stuff does work. I think to me, that is fine, honestly. One thing I read about when I started reading instructions a little bit more was when it's this bad, you want to actually put it on there and kind of scrub it in just a little bit and then let it kind of work for, you know, 5 to 6 hours like it says, or 7 hours. So maybe I'll try to do another coat on here. Maybe I'll rub it in these spots that are black, but you know, the results are there. This stuff actually works. So that's why I made a video. Wasn't gonna make a video. This is kind of different than the normal content, but I was just really amazed when I used this. I came back after an hour and it was like actually clean. And I've tried to clean this stuff. This stuff actually works, okay? I'll put a link to this down below. You can pick this up right on Amazon, I believe. But I'm Mike, Family DIY TV. If you like this content, please hit that subscribe button. And I am Active Seal and Grout Mold Stain Remover out. Man, my wife is gonna be very happy.